Hello guys, I'm Atika Badare from Extra Coding YouTube channel and I'm back again with a new video. So today we're gonna fix the most irritating error ever. Your connection is not private. Yeah guys, this is the one of the most irritating error that we face. So whenever you get that error, you search on Google how to fix the error, your connection is not private, or you see many videos. But today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fix that error. So let's get started. First of all, let's open a website. So let's see McDonald's. Okay. So when we open this website, there is the error your connection is not private. So all you have to do is just write this is unsafe without giving any space. Make sure your caps lock is turned off. Okay. You just have to write this is unsafe without giving any space. Okay. And you don't have to locate your cursor anywhere. Just simply write this is unsafe and press enter. As you can see, the website is now opened. So whenever you see that error, you can write this is unsafe. I repeat, this is unsafe without giving any space. Okay. And again, make sure your caps lock is turned off. So hope you are now happy that the irritating error is now fixed. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Okay, see you soon in my next video guys. Bye bye.